Next, we're going to do an external column design. And I won't, so this is the design we just did, but now with the external column design, we can simply duplicate it, go external column 1, hit save. So you can see the same data presented before. You know, the only difference here is we've only got load from the top beam. You might have more of an unbalanced moment in this case, but you've got less load, so 324 and 360. And not always this will be connected to your lateral system, but for the purposes, sorry, that was the other way around. I meant to go 72 and 60 here, 72, 60, and the load above was 324 and 360. And you'd expect, well, buckling, it's currently failing right now, which is interesting. So, so you'd obviously have to upgrade the size and things like that. So the other load case that we've got here is the wind combination. So you wouldn't have wind from the load above, but if you were to connect it on that actual floor, right now you can put it in as a load. So for one direction, whether it be, 6 kilonewtons per meter, whatever it might be, and you can see our elevation view updating based on the actual lateral load. So 0 in this elevation, 6 kilonewtons per meter in the alternative elevation. And when you go into your loading combinations, all of this is picked up based on the combination selected. And then also in the analysis, you can see how it's working. So for the wind combination, as you'd expect, it's more of a bending moment diagram that looks like this based on all the scenarios that pop up.